$500 a day. Can you make $500 a day with Clickbank? Yes, you can. $500 a day with Clickbank using Facebook ads. It's going to be a quick video. You didn't know. Here we go. Like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Share as Karen. Share, on Facebook or Twitter or whatever. But we're going to show you how to make $500 a day. Well, it's actually $500 in 3 days because I ran a $5 ad for 3 days. So to run a couple of ads I ran, but the winning ad was $5 a day for 3 days. And I'll show you. So anyway, first thing you got to do is you're going to go to Clickbank. You're going to find yourself an offer, right? So as always, you go to Clickbank, you go to the marketplace, right? And I found Manifestation Miracle. Now, how did I find Manifestation Miracle? I was looking under gravity, and their gravity was high. The gravity's at 34, almost 35, which means that's how many people every month is making money selling this. Okay, it's not how many they're selling. It's how many people are making money selling it. Okay, so that people are making money selling it. The average sale is 160, but that's it's not upfront. Upfront, the sale down here is 46, but with the funnel that they have, the average sale is 160. Okay, so that's pretty good. You're going to make 160 a sale. Okay, but why did I pick Manifestation Miracle? Well, is Manifestation Miracle something? Is it popular? Manifestation. Okay. According to Google Trends, you check everything on Google Trends. So according to Google Trends, interest over time. Okay, it's up there. If I move over here, you'll be able to see the numbers. So it's around 75, okay? And that's pretty steady. So it's an evergreen type of thing. If someone's always looking for manifestation, okay, to better themselves, self-help. It's always something so even now it's up to 100% now in September. So, this time of the year, I guess people are starting, and again, it's coming up to New Year's resolutions. You get this product going, you get a good funnel going, and I'll talk to you about a funnel in a second. But, obviously this product takes off around the holidays. People get depressed. They want a manifestation. They want to manifest themselves to be their better selves and for success. And this thing here is how to manifest success, money, relationships. It's all wrapped up into one program. It's very, very powerful. All you got to do is get them into the funnel. You get them into the funnel, and the average sale is 160, right? So going back over to here. So you can't direct link to your Facebook ads from here, right? Now, obviously, I made a landing page, and you can go to the promoting. They have an affiliate page here where you can get all kinds of, tools, which I did. I'm not going to bore you because I have other videos on how to build a landing page. I'm just going to bring you to the page. Okay, so this was the page, Manifestation Miracle. This is the header. Okay. While you're on the path to ultimate success, take the 60-second quiz, find out, receive your free personalized report video, take the quiz. They take the quiz. They hit anywhere on here. This whole thing is an image. And anywhere they click, it's going to take them into the funnel. Okay, so now they're going to the funnel. Now they're going to take the free quiz. Okay, they take the free quiz. They get their email in there. They buy them. They're in the funnel, and you're going to make the 160. Once you get, not everybody. You get a percentage. Okay, and I'll go over that in another second. Okay, so that's that. You get them in the funnel. You got to have the landing page, like I said. Okay, here's my landing page. Everybody uses different software. I use my own software. There'll be a link for a 7-day free trial. I'm not going to go into it now because I really don't want to bore you. But it's the power of, if you have all the tools you need, okay, you can make money online. And it's very simple. You just have to know what you're doing. Okay, so, and this landing page took me all of 10 minutes to make. Okay, and you have to have certain things on the landing page in order for Facebook to approve it. Okay, because they're going to check your landing page. They're going to check your ad. Your ad has to get approved. Your image on your ad has to get approved. There's so many variables to get everything working out. But I got videos that shows you how to do that. I'm not going to go through every video and show you every time. So, subscribe to the channel. Search through the videos on how to do Facebook ads if that's what you're looking at, or whatever phase, whatever step you're stuck in. Okay, check it out for a video. Okay, so this was the landing page, and I used Builderall. Just say it one time, Builderall. Down here, you need these down here. All of these pages you need in order to get approved on Facebook. Okay, for your landing page. All right, so what did we do here? We went. Now we're going to go to Facebook ads. So we went to the Facebook ads. All right. Station Miracle, this was my ad set. I'm not going to go through campaigns. I have other videos on how to make campaigns and stuff. This is just going to show you what happened with the Clickbank campaign. Okay, now I had more than one ad set running. This is just one of them. Okay, $5 a day. I ran it for 3 days. Okay, so I ran it for 3 days. So it had impressions was 1,800, reach was 1,560. Okay, the amount spent was 1,992. Okay, not much for actually it was like 3.5 days. Okay, so the link clicks was 13. Now of course all 13 didn't convert. Okay, but you got them into the funnel. They may convert later, but got 3 sales right away. Okay, so 3 sales right away. Okay, so 160 for the average sale. And then we got 3 sales, right? 480 in 3 days, minus the $20. So 460 was the profit, okay, for 3 days. And now you can throw more money into this ad. So now I was doing $5 a day. Now I can do $20 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day, scale it up, and hopefully, the earnings go up too. And of course, out of the 13, 3 were immediate sales. The other 10 are in the funnel, and they may convert later down in the funnel. Okay, that's the beauty thing about being in the funnel. All right. Like and subscribe to the channel. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn how to make money online. You're going to learn how to build landing pages, how to run Facebook ads, how to the whole 9 yards. Builderall. I have tutorials on the different apps in Builderall. There's so much. It's a complete digital marketing platform. You can do everything in it, and 7-day free trial. And of course, if you sign in under me, I don't go nowhere. I'll help you. Any questions you have, you join the Facebook group. We'll get you started. We'll help you out. I'll give you that manifestation miracle landing page. If you want to run this offer, I'll give you this page. Okay, I'll give you this page if you sign up under me, and you can start running this campaign the day you sign up. Okay, you have to sign up because it's run on Builderall, so I can transfer the page right to you for free. All you got to do is sign up under me. All right, so get the 7-day free trial, and okay. So it occurred to me that I didn't really go over what a funnel is. Okay, well, affiliate marketing basics. Let me move over here so I can get to my stuff. So affiliate marketing basics: make money online from home. Use sales funnels. It used to be that you drove traffic from either paid traffic or free traffic through either SEO, through Facebook groups, through traction marketing, or through whatever kind of ads you were running. And you would send that to a landing page and then send it to the offer, and people would buy. That looks like this. So you get the traffic, paid or free. It goes to the simple web page, and there they would click the web page to go to the offer page, and the offer page would convert for them and make the sale. You make the money. You make the affiliate commission. Okay. Now, people nowadays, they don't buy on the first exposure. Okay. So the first time they see an offer, they may be interested in it. It may pique their curiosity. They may want to find out more, but they're not ready to buy. So, you've already piqued they're going to go somewhere else. They may search on Google and look up for a review or something. And if you don't have a review page, a website with a review page ranking on Google, then you're not going to get the sale, right? So it didn't work. It doesn't work anymore. So, but this is now, I say, with a sales funnel, you have a sales funnel and you also have an email marketing campaign. So sales funnel here, okay, is still with the free traffic and the paid traffic, whichever you prefer. Okay, I'm not going to tell you which is better. Paid traffic is quicker. Free traffic is good, but it takes a long time, and you can't scale free traffic. Okay, so You get the traffic to go to your landing page. Now on the landing page, you're going to collect an email. Okay, they're going to collect an email. When they click the email, when they click it, they're going to go to the offer, just like on the previous scenario. Okay, they're going to go to the offer, but some of them are going to buy, most of them aren't. So they're going to click and go to a follow-up page. But in the meantime, you've collected their email, right? They're going to get an email in what's called an email order responder in a campaign. So the email, whatever, if it's every day, if it's every 2 days, if it's once a week, however, depending on what your offer is, as to how long, in between emails it is, you can set it up any way you want. Okay. So then you send an email out, and it doesn't have to be the same offer. It could be a different offer in the same niche. Okay. So it could be a similar, or actually it could be an upsell. This could be something cheap. Okay. This offer here could be something cheap, like $120. And then the upsell could be something else that's $100 or whatever. Okay. And the good thing about this, you collected their email down here in the bottom, grow the list for life. You have them in your list, and you can market to them forever until they unsubscribe. And as long as you don't abuse it, they're not going to unsubscribe. If you keep giving them value, they're not going to unsubscribe, and you can always market to them. Okay. Now, of course, I've gone over different tools that you need. You need landing page. Now you need an autoresponder. You need an email capture, right? To capture the email somehow. Now you're going to have an email autoresponder. Now you're going to have all of these tools, and you could pay for them in all different places. Okay. But, get it and build it all, 7-day trial. I'm not going to go through it. Like and subscribe. There we go. And, continue. Subscribe to the channel. You're going to learn.